Welcome guys. Let's do Chainlink technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter, links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete because in this video I am going to show you my new charts and all targets. Current rank of Chainlink is 24 and price of Chainlink is $18 right now. Market cap of Chainlink is $8.6 billion. Fully diluted market cap of Chainlink is $18 billion. 24-hour trading volume of Chainlink is 963 million. Circulating supply of Chainlink is 467 million. And maximum and total supply of Chainlink is 1 billion. There is no hidden supply. Let me please show you all-time high of this token. All-time high of this token was on May 10, 2021, about 7 months ago, and price was $52. All-time low of this token was on September 23, 2017, about 4 years ago, and price was just 12 cents. Chainlink return on investment is 11,717%, which is very huge. And it is available on Binance, Huobi, FTX, KuCoin. And if you want to buy this token on Binance or Huobi exchange, just go to in this video's comment section or in this video's description where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account. And after initial deposit, you can grab these bounces. These bounces are absolutely free. Just trade with these bounces only and put your seed money away. This is risk-free trading strategy. Let's dive into the content. This is first chart. This is Link USDT pair 4-hour chart. And currently Chainlink is at $18.38 right now, and it is in this falling wedge. It is a bullish pattern, but for this it have to break this horizontal resistance of $20. After that, $23 will be our second target and $25 will be our third target. These all are resistance levels as well as these all are targets. If Chainlink rejected from this zone, in that case Chainlink price can go down to retest this zone. Maybe in that case price can retest this zone, and which is $15 price zone, and after that price will move towards upside like this, and after that it will hit all the targets. Until now we have to wait. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. There is very less volume. We need strong volume confirmation. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. EMA ribbon is still at $19.98. You can say $20 price zone. Once Chainlink break EMA ribbon and close 4-hour candle above $20 price area, in that case Chainlink is ready to hit these targets. Let me please show you next indicators. RSI. RSI is at 41. It have to cross 50 in order to move towards upside. MACD. MACD crossover was towards downside, but now towers are changing their color. It's mean maybe we may see some price up movement. We have to wait. Let me please show you second chart. This is daily chart of Chainlink, and currently it is at $18.42 right now. For upside movement, it have to cross this resistance, $20.84 price area. Once it cross this area, second target is $25 and third target is $29, and after that $38. These are the targets. And if it rejected from this zone, in that case there is strong spot is at $15.42 as well as $13.38. These are two major strong spot zones. And if I calculate the target from according to the support and resistance base, in that case Chainlink can easily hit this target very soon, and it can be $25 to $26 price area is very realistic, and it can hit me within some days. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, volume. Good volume in daily chart. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. Candles have to break this area, $25 price area. After that candles will break this EMA ribbon, and after that we will see upside movement. Until now maybe we may see some sideways movement. Let me please show you some other indicators. RSI is at 35 and it is bearish now. Let me please show you MACD. MACD is at in minus right now, and it have to cross towards upside, and after that it will price will change, and after that upside rally will start. Until now we have to wait. It is very bearish right now. And let me please show you my favorite indicator, which is very important to me. This is CPR indicator, and let me please arrange this chart. Here you can see, and let me please arrange this. These yellow lines are main CPR trend lines, and these red lines are bearish target, monthly bearish CPR targets. Candle hit this monthly CPR first target. After that, second target is $13 price area, and third target is very low, but I don't think price can go down to retest this zone or this zone. I think price have to move towards the upside, and after that, once candle closing above this zone, $30 price zone, after that these blue lines are our bullish targets, monthly bullish targets. First monthly bullish target is $35, second monthly bullish target is $44, and third monthly bullish target is $50 price area. Note down these area, but for these all movements, channeling have to break this area and close daily candle above this zone, which is $31 price zone. After that, channeling can hit these targets. Let me please hide all these things, and let me please remove all these things, and let me please draw fib levels to trade. Let me please do this. Let me please arrange this chart. Let me please do this. And here you can see currently it is in bearish zone. Once it crosses this area, $24 price zone, it will break this resistance of 0.23 Fibonacci level. After that, 0.38 Fibonacci level, which is $29 price zone. After that, 0.5 Fibonacci level, which is $34 price zone, which is very important area. And after that, 0.61 golden bucket, which is at $38 price zone, and after that 0.78, which is at $44 price zone. These are trade levels. We have to watch these levels for trading. Thanks for the watching. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon right now, and please share this video with all of your crypto community and friends, and keep supporting me. And if you want to grab these bonuses, $9,180 bonuses of these exchanges, just go to in this video's description or in this video's comment section, where you can get these links. Click on these links and create your account, and after initial deposit, you can grab these bonuses. These bonuses are tradable and absolutely free bonuses, but only condition is you have to deposit. After that, you can grab these bonuses. Put your seed money away and trade with these bonuses only. This is risk-free trading strategy. Thanks for the watching, and always keep supporting me. Take care.